So let's get straight into the recipe of the easy silky mango pudding. And if you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for further notifications. Note the ingredients for the recipe. Peel and roughly chop the mangoes up. Grind the mango pieces till soft and pulpy in a blender. Soak the gelatin powder in half a cup of milk. And now let's get straight into cooking our mango on a low flame. Let it set in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. Unmold the puddings and garnish with chopped mangoes and mint leaves, and the yummy silky mango pudding is ready.